Hello and welcome to who'sontheRun.com. Now, briefly, I'm going to go over how to add your postings or your bail jumpers to the website. Now, first thing you do is go to our website and you're going to click the login button on the navigation right here. So once we click the login, we can go ahead and log in. And that should bring us to our dashboard. Now, once you're at your dashboard, you want to hover over posts. Then you can click add new. From here, we can type in the individual's name. We can also type in certain criteria or information about that individual. Notice if you navigate to our page here on posting tutorials, we have a pre-made, if you will, fields here that we would suggest that you basically start out your posting with. And what you can do is you can just highlight that, right click, and go to copy, and then we go back to our post and just right click and go to paste. Now in here we can type in the AKA for that individual, such as sample name or whatever that sample name's individual AKA is, as well as filling in their date of birth, last seen, you can fill that in, and the bond date, when they bonded out, and when they jumped bond. You can also enter the bond amount. And then you can enter your contact information right here. You could change that. Instead of bust out bail bonds, you could actually put your bail bonds company with your phone number. Now if you have more information about that individual, you could also enter down and type in white male, about 6'3" with a skull tattoo on his neck. This person was last seen in a white Chevy with the plate number, and then basically this is just more information you might have on that individual. And once you fill that out, we can go ahead and scroll down, and now we fill out the title tag. The title tag is just for search engine optimization. What that basically is if you copy the name, what I do is highlight the name, copy, go down here, and maybe bail jumper, and then right click, paste, bail jumper, sample name of Las Vegas. And then normally just copy that, because the description is pretty much that plus a little bit more. Was last seen in a white Chevy in Las Vegas. So you see how the title tag and the description are fairly similar. The description is just a little bit more, and you can add more there. I would just suggest maybe a sentence, maybe 2 sentences tops. The title tag is normally just a half a sentence, if you will. Just, bail jumper or whatever you want to put, bail bond jumper. You could really put whatever you'd like. That's just what I suggest. Of course, you can put whatever. Now that's pretty much it for that. Now we just have to select what category they're going in, and they should all go in wanted bail jumpers. No other things should be selected. And also on tags. Tags are just keywords. So type in bail, bond, jumper, Vegas, Las Vegas, 2012, white, male, maybe their name, sample, name, and their full name, and everything is separated by commas. So normally every word, but if it's a name, such as like sample name, we'll put their first and last name, then a comma. Also in Las Vegas, you notice that we put Las Vegas, and then we did Vegas. Right here we did Vegas, and then we did Las Vegas. So it can be a phrase, but normally it's words. But for instance, you can put a few words if you like, and then white Chevy. See that we're using 2 words again. And then once you pretty much have these filled out, you just click add. It's going to add all your keywords. And then now all we need is a featured image. So we just select, and we can, right here from our computer, we just select the file, and we could choose that individual's mugshot. Upload it. Once it's uploaded, you scroll down, use as featured image. Click that, and then pretty much just close this out. So now we have filled out the title, the description, the title, pretty much the content of the person with a little description. We put them in wanted bail jumpers. We also typed in the title tag and the description with the keywords and now the mugshot. So we're pretty much ready to go. Just confirming everything. And once we're done, we click publish. And notice once we publish that individual, we can go click right here on who's on the run. This is going to take us to the front end of the site. Click wanted bail jumpers, and now we have sample name, their AKA, all their information we placed, and they can click read more to read more on that individual. So that is how you make a post to who'sontheRun.com.